Hey, it's Matt from Black Coal Woodworking. Welcome back. I'm trying some spindle turning today. You're looking at a continental spindle gouge, but I'm about to switch to a skew chisel, and that's really what I'm mostly going to practice today. I'm making a vase. It's a dry vase. They're fun to make, especially when you're learning how to use the skew. Unless you get a catch, of course. But hopefully we don't get any of those today. The big thing I've learned is to keep your bevel riding on the wood and don't let the top point get too low where the spinning wood will catch it and push the tool towards you. Catches with the skew are traditionally scary, but really don't have to be. They're probably more bark than they are bite. Coming up, you're going to watch a peeling cut. It's basically sticking a skew straight into the wood. Well, not quite that simple. You ride the bevel on top of the wood and then just slowly get the blade of the wood just under the surface of the wood coming around, and it will peel just like that. This is seriously a ton of fun. I could go through a forest like this. Here's some slow-mo. Ooh, ribbons. Oh, fine. Back to shaping. Oh, one more ribbon. I love it. Every time I'm using this skew, I'm actually trying to do a bit of a peeling cut. Instead of just cutting with the far right point in this position, I'm trying to peel as I cut. I tend to get a really good surface that way. Usually I'm pressing down with the bevel quite firmly, and it really burnishes the wood. Here though, I've switched to a spindle gouge because I'm trying to do an inside curve, and that don't work so well with the skew, at least not for me. I'm going to create the same kind of curve at the top of the vase and have it meet together in the middle. There we go. Now it's just a matter of refining that shape just a little further. With Mother's Day coming up, this might be a really good time to think about what to make. Here I'm using this skew by rubbing the bevel on that piece of wood there and trying to get a really clean cut. That way I don't have to do as much sanding. Skews are great for that. You can do far less sanding with a good cut straight off the tool. This theory works, of course, only if you don't randomly stab your work with your skew, which it's also really good at. My finish here is walnut oil, shellac, and beeswax. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, share it, and if I've earned it, subscribe. Thanks for watching.